Today I'm going to be bringing you another episode of shop reviews. I'm going to be going through some shops that you guys sent me, reviewing them. If you're new to the channel, it's literally as simple as that. As always, there's a lot of useful information in this one, so you're going to want to watch till the end. Hi guys, my name is Phil and welcome to the Money Game YouTube channel. For anyone that's new around here, I make print-on-demand content to both motivate and to also give you guys tips and tricks on how you can improve your print-on-demand shop. And before we get into today's episode, I just want to say that you guys, by you guys I mean everyone that watched last video and liked it, are amazing. And before I go on to explain why you are all amazing, for anyone that is new to the channel, if you don't want to miss out on future content that could potentially help you make some extra cash, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bells so that you are notified whenever I do post a video. Now back to all the amazing people that watched the last video. I asked you guys to hit 150 likes if you wanted to keep this series going. And if my calculations are correct, you guys destroyed the like target. From what I can see, we're currently on 294 likes on that video. I mean, like,
Jesus Christ.
I'm really curious to see how many likes we can get on this one. So if you do go on to get any sort of value from this, or you want to keep seeing more things like this, drop a like, as that would be very much appreciated. I mean, 294 likes, can we beat it? I guess we're gonna have to see next episode. And for anyone that's new to the channel, I have a free print-on-demand starter guide that's linked down in the description, so definitely check that out. But for anyone that's looking to make print-on-demand into more of a full-time thing, I have a paid step-by-step course that's also linked down in the description that will fast-track you to print-on-demand success. So only check that out if you feel like getting serious with this. With that said, let's jump onto my PC and actually review some of your shops. Right guys, I've jumped onto my PC and as per usual, we're going to be going through some shops. I won't keep you waiting too long, and with that said, we're going to get straight into the first shop for you guys. Now as you can see here, we've got the Pattern Artist. Nice banner, nice logo to go with the banner. I like the pink on black, it matches, it looks good. Now this person has more than 139 designs, which is more than 100, which is the basis I always say for everyone to try to reach. Now as we go through the shops, obviously from the name of the shop, we're gonna expect a lot of patterns. As I can see with some of the featured collections, there's some patterns showing up there. Got some shirts, I'm seeing some stickers, and there's a variation of designs. Now the first thing that I want to talk about is the sticker pack. Now when it comes to sticker packs, now it's great to create sticker packs as they do sell, but you want to be careful with what's on them. For example, here there's a Vans backpack. Now if Vans was to come across this design, there's a chance that they could take this down and this could eventually lead to your shop being taken down. So you want to be careful when it comes to designs like this. I mean, all the other stickers look okay, but this Vans bag, you wouldn't want it there. On top of that, the stickers are also too close together. Now, if someone buys that, there's a chance that they won't be separated, and that kind of deters people. So when you're creating them, try to make sure that they're spaced out a little bit more, as it'll look better on the front image and it'll potentially lead to more people actually clicking on that as well. Now as I scrolled through, I noticed got a few other sticker designs, which is good, but besides that, there's a lot of various things you've got going on. I like what you've done here. I like the spacing there. This is what you need to try to apply to your other sticker packs such as this, just so everything is spread out correctly. Now I'm noticing you've got your designs and various products. I can see you've got 36 favorites, so your store is still up and running. It's still pretty much getting into the hang of things. So for now, I'll say your main focus should be things like stickers, sticker packs, as they sell quite quickly. I like what you've done with the masks here. Masks are selling, but you want to also have something similar to this, maybe different colors, so it could just be full black text where it's on a sticker, mainly because it will help you get sales. I've had people actually message me telling me that they're starting to get sales from some election related designs. So maybe if you put that onto a sticker, you never know, you might be next. So definitely look into that. I'm just gonna click on one of these designs. I'm seeing they've got a lot of Halloween designs ready for obviously Halloween, which is not too far away, which is good to see. I'll click on this one that says Monster, because obviously it's to do with Halloween. Let's see how they've gone about this. I can already see the title. There's a Monster quote design. Okay, it looks fairly okay. I don't think they would have actually chose this active t-shirt. I feel as if this design is on the default option, which means that it can literally change between different products. So if you've not got this on a set product, definitely make sure it's on a set product, whether that's a sticker or a mask. Trust me, it will make the difference. As I go through, I can see you've got this activated on everything, which is always good to see. And when I jump straight to your tags, we can see you've got quite a lot of tags in there. Momster, Halloween Mom, Funny Momster, Momster Mom, Mother Momster. A lot of very good tags, to be fair. With the tags, I always say try be too careful. Don't put too many. Try stay under 20 tags. Don't go way too over that. But besides that, I mean, what you're doing in the shop is great. You've pretty much got the gist of things in regards of what to do when it comes to your titling, what to do when it comes to your tags. You just need to make sure that on your shop you're implementing more things such as sticker packs, as with newer shops, sticker packs tend to sell a lot quicker. Stickers in general also perform better with newer shops, so that's something just to keep in mind. Moving on to the next shop, we have Trend Shopping. Now I like the banner, a bit of a holiday themed palm tree banner, and the image is just a hand holding an ice cream, which is pretty interesting. Funnily enough, they've near enough got the same amount of designs as the last shop we went through. There's 138 designs, so just one off, which is quite interesting. They've got featured collections at the top as well, which is always cool to see. And as we get through, I'm seeing stickers, I'm seeing t-shirts, seeing journals, which is interesting. Don't know whether they've got some of their products such as this one as a default image, so it's just choosing the product for them. If so, I would say pick something like a mask or a poster, for example, for this, mainly because not a lot of people will be looking to spend this amount of money. From my experience, you only ever get people buying things like this if they've actually clicked through a cheaper product, which is weird, but that's just how it's worked for me. I'm seeing sticker packs. Spacing is great as well. I'm gonna take it as they found a trend and they actually created a sticker pack for it, which is great. Yep, I'm liking how they've gone about their shop so far. They've got a lot of front images showing as stickers, but they also have a lot of things there such as clocks as well. You don't really want to be putting things like clocks as your front images as of yet. I mean, you want to make sure that your shop starts to get sales as quick as possible. I'm seeing you've got 97 favorites there, so I'd assume you might have some sales, but if you have no sales at all, just make sure to change everything on your shop to either a sticker, a mask, or a poster. Also, on this front page, I've only seen one sticker pack. You want to implement more sticker packs. For example, with this image, you want to make sure that there's spacing between the images, so the sticker pack is actually a sticker pack, because not a lot of people will buy this, mainly because everything's kind of clunked together and it might not look as good. I mean, besides that, you're cranking out a lot of designs, which is always good to see. Just keep that up. I'm just going to click on a random design and we'll have a quick look to see how you actually go about your titles. So I will go on the sticker pack here. It says Girls Gotta Eat. And let's see what they've titled it. Just Girls Got to Eat. I mean, if it's a sticker pack, you could even put something there like Girls Got to Eat Pack. Sometimes it helps, sometimes it doesn't, but it doesn't hurt. You can always try it out to see how it works for you. It's worked for me in the past. How many things have you got activated? I'm seeing this only activated on 67 products. Even if you don't think it might sell on certain products, activate them anyway. From my experience, I've had things sell that I never would have expected to sell. So activate this on everything anyways, because you never know what might happen. Looking at the tags, I can already see you've got a lot of tags and you've got the gist of what to do when it comes to tags. Keep up your tag strategy. Just try to make sure that you're under 20 tags. Don't go over that. If you're under that, because I haven't counted through every single one, well done. If not, just something to bear in mind for the future. Keep putting up designs. The more designs you put up, the more chances you have of actually getting sales. Focus on the stickers, focus on the masks, focus on the posters. Trust me, it will make a difference for your shop. Next up, we've got Lava Designs. I can see that on this shop, they've got 337 designs, which is insane. Before we get to that, I'm seeing that the banner's bold, stands out. The logo doesn't look like it goes with the banner as much. If I was you, I would put maybe an image of an L and a D, so in this font, something to match with the banner. And I'm pretty sure that's something you can do fairly quickly. Now I'm seeing the top collection is a Halloween related collection. You've got some designs in there such as this this is my millennial costume, this is my middle-aged person costume, and I like what you've done there. It's very smart. I am seeing a lot of t-shirts. We've got a sticker pack there, which is good. Got a lot of individual stickers there and a lot more t-shirts, a lot of letter designs, number designs, which is really good to see. Variation of things. There's a lot I can actually talk about here, which is good. First thing I'm going to say in regards of the stickers, well done. It's good to see that you're using a lot of stickers. Secondly, you need to make sure that you're using more stickers. I mean, on the white designs, putting them on things like shirts or masks is fairly okay. But on your black designs, just trust me, stick to keeping them on stickers. It will bring you more traffic in. And another thing you can do to kind of just increase the amount of sales that you're getting is to put, for example, these stickers onto sticker packs. You want to pretty much increase the chances of people clicking on your designs and potentially buying. So if there's someone that's interested in this style of emoji and they see 5 of them on one sticker pack, they'll be more likely to click on that compared to if there was only one there. So when you're looking to get sales, that's a cool method to try out because it can end up being a complete game changer for you. Once again, I know this because this is stuff that I've done myself and it has led to sales. I like your sense of creativity in regards of a lot of your designs that I'm seeing. For example, you've got some dentist designs there and I know why you have them there. I've been keeping up with the Redbubble trends and this was something that was trending not too long ago. So I see what you're doing there. But when it comes to, for example, this design that says dentists do it best, you've got a white one on the black t-shirt, which is fair enough, but for the black one I would say put it on a sticker. So if you want to try out different kind of ideas, try them on different products, definitely implementing stickers because stickers are more likely to bring people in. I like what you've done with the letter designs. Once you start getting a lot of sales on your shop, you'll probably see letter designs starting to sell more often. The main thing you want to do firstly is bring that traffic in, get those first initial sales, and all these other things you notice as we go on, they'll start selling. Now I'm going to click on one of your designs and we're just going to have a quick look at how you go about your titles, your tags, and then we'll go from there. I'm going to click on one of your Halloween designs actually. So I'm going to click on this one here. I just want to point this out because I know you didn't do this on purpose. It's just a mistake. And it's also by coincidence that I've happened to click on this one. But on your title, you just need to change because I know what you did. You used the method that allows you to upload faster through Redbubble. For those who don't know what that method is, I'll link the video that I made about that down in the description. Definitely check that out. But yeah, just make sure to change your title. I would take it, if you were titling this, you'd probably put middle-aged person costume. Pushing the mistake to the side because I know you probably didn't mean to do that. I'm going to have a look at how many products you have activated. So you've got 77 products activated. You want to do your best to make sure that everything is activated. There's certain products such as the secret products that aren't activated. It's mainly kids clothing at this point, as I'm noticing Redbubble are actually activating most of the other secret products. So make sure that you're activating kids clothing. If you don't have it activated or if you don't know how to activate it, once again there'll be a video down in the description that'll show you exactly how to do that if you haven't done that before. Going over to your tags, I can see you've got a lot of tags here. Now firstly, I just want to say you want to break them down. You want 20 or less tags. Personally, I use around 15 tags, but 20 or less will work, and you want to make sure that all the tags are relevant. Now I'm seeing that you're putting a lot of tags in relation to Halloween, which is smart. Don't go too broad with some of the tags. For example, we've got vampire, zombie, pumpkin, mainly because if someone is searching for those things, they might not potentially buy your design. But if you're going to go broad with the keywords, obviously use things like Halloween, scary, funny costume, as if your design does start to actually get sales on those bigger keywords, it would also show up on the results once you do start getting sales. Besides that, it's great that you have over 300 designs on your shop. Keep grinding away, keep putting in the effort, focus more on bringing in sticker packs. And when I say that, it's a matter of just taking the designs you have already and putting them onto sticker packs. You'll see that it will make a big difference. Try to use 20 or less tags and look out for mistakes as well. We all make them, but it's always good to double check. With that said, I'm going to leave it there for today, guys. I'm going to jump over to the camera and we're going to finish off there. If you made it to the end of the video, I just want to say thank you. Besides that, if you're here, you're amazing, full stop. And if you made it to this part of the video, down in the comment section, let me know that you are amazing. So literally write down, I am amazing. I'll respond to as many people that I see comment that. And yeah, for today, that's pretty much it. Always remember that everything is rigged in your favor and manifest success.